Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and Android version so you know which options to expect. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 20% and you're on Wi-Fi to download any required updates. Open Settings and type Navigation or Accessibility into the search field. This gets you to the right menu fast. From here, you'll either find Navigation Bar, Gestures, or the Accessibility menu. That's the doorway to add a software home button. Now locate Navigation Bar or Accessibility Interaction and Dexterity and enable the software home button or assistive menu setting. If the phone offers buttons versus gestures, select buttons to restore a visible home icon, then pick the layout and order you prefer. Adjust tap sensitivity and visual hints so the button responds reliably. This prevents accidental presses. If your build hides the option, enable the assistive menu, which provides an on-screen home action. Third-party launchers can offer a similar floating home control. Finish by verifying the home button works everywhere. Tap it from the home screen, inside apps, and while holding gestures. Make interface tweaks, size, opacity, or button order, so it's comfortable and unobtrusive, then save changes. If you customized a lot, consider backing up settings. If the button doesn't appear or is unresponsive, restart the phone, install pending system updates, and recheck accessibility. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.